Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: GPU ports, working cables, and monitor power. Once done, connect both displays and turn them on. Make sure Windows or Mac OS detects them. You select which screen will be primary for games and note each monitor's native resolution and refresh rate so settings match. Do this now rather than later. Mismatched rates cause stutter. Once detected, open Display Settings and arrange the monitors to mirror your physical layout before proceeding to game configuration. You now configure both screens in detail. In Display Settings and your GPU control panel, set each monitor to its native resolution and the highest stable refresh rate. This reduces input lag. Once configured, choose Extended Desktop so you can run the game on one screen and utilities on the other. Make sure scaling is consistent so UI elements are readable. If using G-Sync or FreeSync, enable it per monitor. Finally, create a GPU profile for your game to lock settings and ensure consistent performance. You finish by setting the game to the chosen display and preferring borderless windowed or full-screen windowed for easy multitasking. Once the game runs, move chat, voice, or streaming overlays to the secondary monitor and assign hotkeys so you switch tools quickly. Make sure audio is routed to the correct device and test controller or mouse focus. If something breaks, first check cables, then update or reinstall GPU drivers, and finally verify both monitors share compatible refresh rates. This usually resolves the last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.